How to fix My Downloads folder is not responding on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix My Downloads folder is not responding on Windows 10 or 11, then the first thing you need to take into consideration is to run a scan on your computer. So first go with Windows and then search for CMD or command prompt. Go with Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and here you need to enter the command. The first command is sfc /scan now and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will scan your whole computer and your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you can go with the second command, which is DISM scan. DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore held, and then hit the enter and it will scan your computer. And after scanning, or after the scan is completed, you can simply go and restart your computer, and once you've restarted, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with the next method, which is you need to simply right click on your taskbar and then go with Task Manager. Once you're under the Task Manager, now you just need to simply find the Windows Explorer. Here you will have your Windows Explorer. You just need to simply right click on it and then you can go with Restart. And once you've restarted, don't worry, your taskbar or your Task Manager will restart, like it will disappear and then it will again start. And after that, you need to restart and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is optimize the downloads folder for general items. Now to do this, you just need to simply open up your File Explorer and then right click on your downloads. Then select the properties option. And after that, next thing you have to do is head over to the Customize tab and click on the drop down bar and then go with the Customize option, or just simply select the general items. And the next thing you have to do is stick the box, which is also apply the template to all subfolders, and then click on apply and click on OK. And after that, you need to restart, and after restarting, your problem may be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.